BBC Breakfast viewers were left shocked during the show this morning. BBC Breakfast political correspondent Emma Vardy was reporting outside Westminster about Brexit negotiations when she was interrupted. Poor Emma was trying to tell viewers about Theresa May, but viewers were left confused as sex noises were played. Luckily, the reporter managed to carry on with the segment and showed no reaction to the shocking sounds. BBC awkward. Emma was interrupted during her political segment. The noises continued for almost a minute, leaving viewers in hysterics as they tried to work out what was going on. As the camera went back to the studio, presenters Naga Muncheti and Charlie State didn't address the X-rated gaffe. Viewers took to social media to ask what was going on. BBC X-rated. Sex noises played in the background of the report. Live TV disasters. Take a look through all the funny live TV disasters that hit out screens. 1/20 ITV/Getty/BBC Live TV disasters. BBC no response. Naga and Charlie didn't say anything about the noises. Best TV moments 2017. Take a look at the best moments that have appeared on TV in 2017. 1/159. One said, "What's with the porn sound effects during that report?" Another added, "Okay, anybody else just hear loud orgasm on BBC Breakfast?" A third chipped in, "Someone kept playing one of those videos that has sex noises on BBC Breakfast while a reporter was doing a piece to camera. Good job keeping a straight face." BBC baffled. Fans took to social media to ask what on earth had happened then. 1/31 Getty/When/ITV. The best TV presenters you love now, and the presenters you remember.